In case if you want to start a poll on Facebook page, then what you do is go ahead and open Facebook. Now tap on this menu option at the top here. Select pages. Now what you do is select the page where you want to have the poll, and then tap on this box here to start typing. Scroll down and look for poll. Now you can type a question here, and then you can type the answer here. You can also tap on this image file to upload a GIF file or to upload your own photo. I will select GIF, and here also I'll select a GIF. Now you can also select the duration until which the poll will last. For example, it's selected 1 week here. I will tap here. I can select 1 day. I can select never, or I can select custom to put my own date. So for the time being, I will select 1 day. So once you do it, if you tap on add to your post, it will be shared to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos.